Today's video about St. Patrick's Day is brought to you by FrenchWithMrInnes.com, my website with loads of fun lessons from Paris. You can sign up for a free trial, but keep watching and you'll find out how to win a free 3-month subscription. But on with the show. Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes et bienvenue à Maison Lafitte. Welcome to Maison Lafitte and the school where I teach. And I teach these 3 special guests today. We have a great video all about la fête de la Saint-Patrick and I can't wait for you guys to enjoy. So stay tuned to find out more. Oui, bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to this very special video all about St. Patrick's Day. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. And we're delighted to have 3 Irish kids helping us out in today's video. So let's go and meet them.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Maïwen, j'ai 7 ans. Je vis dans la France, je suis française et irlandaise.
Salut, je m'appelle Liam, j'ai 7 ans, je suis français et irlandais.
Bonjour, mon prénom est Amy, j'ai 7 ans et j'habite en France et je suis aussi irlandaise.
Merci, Maïwen, Liam and Amy. Let's go back to you just now for our fun French fact of the day.
St. Patrick's Day is celebrated on March the 17th. The story is that Patrick was 16 and one day with his friends he was kidnapped. A lot of men took them in a boat from Wales to Ireland.
He worked on a farm and one day had a vision from God. And God told him to teach Irish people about Christianity.
St. Patrick Day is a national holiday in Ireland. People wear the colour green. Some wear shamrocks on the coat.
There is a big parade to celebrate being Irish.
I go to the Irish Culture Centre in Paris with my family every year. It is a lot of fun. I always get green face paint and eat delicious Irish stew. Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Merci beaucoup les filles, and now it's time for our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day means on St. Patrick's Day there is or there are. So can you repeat after me? La Saint-Patrick, il y a. La Saint-Patrick, il y a. La Saint-Patrick, il y a. Très bien. And now it's time for our Ooh La La vocab.
Kiss me, I'm Irish. Ooh la la!
First up today we have Irish dancing.
We have our own special dancing. It's called Irish dancing.
So can you répéter 8 fois? Repeat 8 times. La danse irlandaise. 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 Notre deuxième oulala vocab est music.
We love to play music on St. Patrick's Day.
Guitar, flute, you name it.
So répétez la musique. 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 Our next oulala vocab is leprechauns.
On St. Patrick's Day, you need to wear green.
All the leprechauns will pinch you.
Now for the next few oulala vocab, you are going to see some grey letters. Yeah, those are silent letters, so you don't pronounce them. So you don't pronounce the S, the N or the S in this one. So, répétez des leprechauns. 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 Our next oulala vocab is shamrocks, just like the one on my hat.
Shamrocks are plants that bring us luck. They are the national symbols of Ireland.
Again, for this one, you don't pronounce the S's that you see. So, répétez des trèfles. 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 Notre avant-dernier, our second last oulala vocab est green clothes.
Green is the color of Ireland.
We love to wear green on St. Patrick's Day.
So répétez des vêtements verts. 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 Et notre dernier oulala vocab est parties.
In Ireland, we love having parties.
So répétez des fêtes. 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 Before we move on to which one's missing, a reminder that this video comes with a lesson plan, audio clips, flashcard games, worksheets, a Quizlet and a Kahoot. And the first 5 lucky people to enter the code St. Patrick's in the link below will receive 3 months of membership of my website. Ooh la la! And now it's time for Which One's Missing? We are going to have 6 rounds of Which One's Missing, and as per usual, I will help you with the first 3. So, first up, we have la danse irlandaise, la musique, des leprechauns, and des trèfles. Which one's missing? Magnifique if you said la musique. Next up, we have la danse irlandaise, des vêtements verts, des lépreux chauds, and des trèfles. Which one's missing? Super if you said des trèfles. Next up, we have la danse irlandaise, des vêtements verts, des lépreux chauds, and des fêtes. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said la danse irlandaise. Next up, and you guys are on your own. Which one's missing? Fantastique if you said des lépreux chauds. Next up. Which one's missing? Merveilleux if you said des vêtements verts. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo, très bien, fantastique et merveilleux if you said des fêtes. And now it's time for our Sensational Sentences.
Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences.
For our sensational sentences, can you remember what our phrase of the day was? Très bien, la Saint-Patrick il y a. Now for our first two oulala vocab today, you need to add a little de at the end of the phrase of the day before la danse irlandaise and la musique. But no need to change the other four oulala vocab. So first up, how do you say
On St. Patrick's Day, there's Irish dancing.
So répétez, la Saint-Patrick il y a de la danse irlandaise. La Saint-Patrick, il y a de la danse irlandaise. Magnifique. Next up, how would you say
On St. Patrick's Day, there's music.
Répétez, la Saint-Patrick, il y a de la musique. La Saint-Patrick, il y a de la musique. Bravo! Next up, no need to add the de, but how do you say
On St. Patrick's Day, there's leprechauns.
Répétez, la Saint-Patrick, il y a des lépreux chauds. La Saint-Patrick, il y a des lépreux chauds. Fantastic. Try the final trois by yourself. How would you say
On St. Patrick's Day, the shamrocks.
Bravo if you said la Saint-Patrick, il y a des trèfles. Next up, how would you say
On St. Patrick's Day, there are green clothes.
magnifique if you said la Saint-Patrick, il y a des vêtements verts. And last up, how would you say
On St. Patrick's Day, there's parties.
magnifique if you said la Saint-Patrick, il y a des fêtes. And now it's time for our Song of the Day. What are you guys staring at? Well, today's song of the day is by Patrick. Yeah, he's called Patrick Sébastien, and the song is called La Saint-Patrick. It is a very upbeat and fun folk song, and you can find a link to it underneath this video. And let's finish up today's video with our
challenge time.
Today I'm going to challenge you guys to make your best poster with 6 sensational sentences from today's video. It could look something like this. La Saint-Patrick, il y a de la danse irlandaise. La Saint-Patrick, il y a de la musique. La Saint-Patrick, il y a des lépreux chauds. La Saint-Patrick, il y a des trèfles. La Saint-Patrick, il y a des vêtements verts. Et la Saint-Patrick, il y a des fêtes. And if you sign up for the free trial or even get the free 3-month membership on my website, then you can post your posters on the community tab, and I might even include them in a future video.
Bon courage!
Well, that is everything for today's video. Bravo! Well done on everything you have learnt. Et un grand merci à Maiwan, Liam and Amy for all their incredible work. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel below. But in the meantime, can you say à bientôt? And from our special Irish helpers,
Au revoir!